has gone away quietly after 100 days. This is what she has always said. She won't stay for more than what she can repay. I can still hear her say that I'm not hurting tender play. The day she let me kiss her was a display of love to those who she betrayed. How can I put someone to the test when I thought I got the best? Until the taste of bitterness that I regret, but still I won't detest the love I can't forget, like someone who has left. How can I leave someone for the rest when I'm not facing the best? Until the taste I'm trying to erase and I regret, but still I won't detest who I can never forget, like someone I once met. I can still hear her say that I'm not hurting tender play. The day she let me kiss her was the display of love to those who she betrayed. Warm smell of eucalyptus rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim. Had to stop for the night. There she stood in the doorway, heard the mission bell. I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. Then she lit up the candle, she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor, thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely face. Ready out from at the Hotel California. Any time of year, you can find it here. And my Tiffany twisted, she got a Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty, pretty boys. She goes friend. How they dance in the courtyard, sweet, summer sweet. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So now I called up the captain. Please bring me my wine. He said he haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel California. It's such a lovely place, it's such a lovely face. They're living up at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise. Bring your alibis. Mirrors on the ceiling, deep champagne on lights. And she said, we are just prisoners here of our own device. In the master's chamber, gather for the feast. They stab it with their stealing life, but they just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember, I was running for the door. I had to find the passage back to the place I was before. Relax, said the nightman, we are programmed to receive. You can check out anytime you like, but you can never leave.